Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Subaru Ascent and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the taillight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it'll protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the tail light. So all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens. And with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the tail light may have. Okay, so we're going to start with the tail light that's on the side of the vehicle. So with this one, we're starting off with the clear section first. So to make the installation process a little bit faster, we're going to apply Tack Solution instead of using Slip Solution. And we're going to line it not on the edge of the tail light, but on the edge where this cutout is located. So when you feel the tail light, you are going to notice that there is this ridge here. It's going to be aligned there, because if we align it right on the edge and it overlaps the ridge, since there is a gap here, the film's just going to lift over time. So we made it only to where it covers up to the edge here before the ridge starts, and then you would just work your way to the other end. So just make sure everything's being covered here. Once you align it, apply Tack Solution and then tack it down. So just use your squeegee, remove all of the solution underneath the film, and that should be pretty much it. And then we apply heat to seal the film. That way it doesn't lift over time. And then we'll move on to the next piece, which is basically the same thing as how we did it here. So this one, same steps, apply Tack Solution right on the edge, right before the ridge. And make sure you align it to cover this section here. So it should be roughly there. And with this one, we're just going to secure this side first and do a light stretch in order to cover this section here. So stretch the film carefully until it reaches to the edge here, and then start tacking it down. And once you finish stretching it and tacking it down, now we're going to just make sure we remove all of the solution that's underneath the film. So make sure no bubbles, that way the film doesn't lift over time. And then we're going to seal it with heat, and then we can move on with the next piece. Okay, so now we're moving on to the next piece. So with this one, it only covers this flat area or the front area of the tail light. So just make sure you align it same way as how we did it with this one, right on the ridge. So right before it starts there, it's going to overlap with this film just a little bit. So just keep it aligned to where the film is overlapping with each other. So roughly around there. And then we're going to secure this piece first and work our way down, stretch the film, and then align it to this end. So to secure the top section, just apply a Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film, hold it in position, grab your squeegee and start tagging it down. So tack down here, do a light stretch to remove the fingers here. Okay, so now that we secure this section, now all we need to do is stretch the film just a little bit until it aligns where this design of the tail light is. I don't know if you could see this curve here. We're going to line it up to there, stretch it, and then everything else falls into place, and then stretch here. So to stretch the film, we're going to need to apply Slip Solution onto the lens, place it down, make sure this area is dry, and then stretch the film to remove the finger, roughly around there. The finger has shrunk, hold it in position for a couple seconds, apply Tack Solution, and tack it down. So now we secured this whole section here, and now we just need to place the film and tack it down here. Dry this section, stretch going down, hold it for a bit, and now just finish off with the stretch on this end. So hold it, stretch it, apply Tack Solution on top to start tacking down the rest of the film. And then to seal the top and the lower edge here, just apply Tack Solution all around and then apply heat, and then we seal everything. So Tack Solution and then use a heat gun. You could use the low setting for this part. Apply heat and then use your microfiber towel to seal everything. Okay, so now we're moving on to the last piece that covers the side section of the tail light. So apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, we're going to start by aligning it on this curve here. Like I mentioned, the film is not going to cover the outside of the ridge since it's going to be a little difficult to install it. So it's just aligning it on the edge of this section of the tail light first. So align it. Once it's aligned, make sure everything falls into place. So it should be like this. Covering here and everything else should be good. So it's just following this design here and then follow through here. So we're going to secure this piece first. Apply tack solution underneath the film and on top. Hold it in position, grab your squeegee and do the usual. Just tack it down with your squeegee. Remove all of the air bubbles. Hope it's secure. Just be careful not to crease the film. Take your time. And once this section's secured, we're going to work on one side and then finish it off on the bottom piece here. So just leave it up here and we should be good. So secure this end first. Now that this is secured, we're going to peel the film off just a little bit. Apply slip solution. That way we're able to stretch it and reach it to this end. And that way we remove any small fingers that we had here. Make sure this area is dry. That way we have better grip. And then just stretch the film right on the edge here. And it is going to overlap with this section here. So just like this. To lift it, if you need to readjust it, that's pretty much it. And just help it tack down. So it's just going to be easier to just tack down like this. Make sure you remove any bubbles underneath the film. It should look flat, no bubbles, so that's good. And I've just finished off with the bottom piece. For this one, we're going to stretch at an angle. So make sure you stretch downward and then stretching it here. So to stretch it, just lift the film carefully. Apply slip solution. Make sure this area is dry and then stretch like this. So stretch down and make sure you're stretching to remove the finger and then stretch it to this side. Now if you notice, the fingers that we had here have become smaller and now this strip just covers up to here. So hold the film for a couple seconds, start applying tack solution, that way we can start securing it. Secure it underneath here. This one you could overlap it with the film here and that's pretty much it. So just keep in mind this lower section is not getting covered because of the type of ridge and design it is here. Okay, in order to remove the fingers that you see around the edges, just apply tack solution, a little bit of heat, and use your microfiber towel and your squeegee to remove the fingers, and we should be good. So now we're moving on to the trunk piece of the tail light. So just apply tack solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And we're starting by aligning it right here as well. So keep in mind, we're only covering what's after the ridge. So exactly how we did it here is exactly how we're doing this side here. So just align it, and then the bottom piece isn't getting covered as well since there's a ridge. And then just follow through with the rest of the film to reach it here. And make sure it has coverage on top. And that's pretty much it. And all we need to do is just apply tack solution on top, grab our squeegee, remove all of the bubbles, and then apply a little bit of heat to seal the edges, and then we should be good. And then we'll move on to the next piece. With this one, you could use the dry installation, or you could use tack solution just to help you tack it down a little bit with solution and be able to move it just a little bit. But all we need to do is just make sure we align it right on this cutout here, bring it down, and then just hold it and cover it to this end. So just like this. And then we're just going to apply tack solution. That way we can use our squeegee to start tacking down everything and help remove any bubbles that may be behind the film. It's pretty simple. And the same step that was done here, you repeat it for this one, since they're both almost the same. And then apply heat to seal the edges, and then we should be good. Like I mentioned, same process when it comes to installing this one. You could do it the dry method, but just make sure you align it right on the edge here. It's not covering this section, so keep in mind. This is still showing like how this one is. Place it, lift it, and align it to the design. Make sure you help it tack down, and then help it tack down on top. So lift it carefully, and just cover the top section here. And if you need to readjust it, you can. Since we're not using any solution, it's going to be a little easier to just lift it and readjust the film. Make sure you reach right here, and that's pretty much it. Do the same process, apply tack solution on top, use your squeegee to start tacking it down, and then apply heat to seal the edges. And then the last thing to do once we finish with everything here is to pulse heat the entire tail light. So the last thing to do once we finish with the entire installation for the tail light is to pulse heat the entire film. So just apply tack solution all over the tail light, and we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat evenly throughout the entire panel. Take your time when you're doing this step, and then you could use the low setting or the high setting. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure if you do use the high setting, not to be too close to the film because you might accidentally burn it. And just take your time applying it evenly throughout the tail light. And then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. And the microfiber towel is just used to help tack down the film and also remove any solution on the edges. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the 2023 Subaru Ascent. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.